Now that we have flagged off these issues long time back, who is in charge of the state of Manipur? And surprisingly, the state government has been silent. They have been following this kind of subversion of constitutional mechanism themselves. So there is a serious subversion of constitution, the federal structures. I just want to remind you, some of you, that there's Baba Saheb Ambedkar once said, there is a sovereign and plenary authority of the state cannot be eroded. Law and order is absolutely the domain of the state government. So this government, surprisingly, not only have presided over the violence, the state government, they have also played, along with the central government, in the subversion of the constitution itself. So defending Manipur right now is also defending Indian constitution, that the federal structure remains intact. And I think this is something that we must keep in our mind. And I think we have crossed all limits. The constitutional propriety, from the dimension of humanity, आप लोग सोचिएगा कि इस देश का प्राइम मिनिस्टर जो है उसके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है? I started thinking like that now. What is there? Is it some kind of a psychological breakdown that you don't feel the need to intervene? और बोलता रहता है कि CM is cooperating with us, obviously through the subversion. And as Supriya has already pointed out, one is playing a victim or a defender of the state. Makes no sense to me. So I normally avoid talking about state government now. I mean, it's beyond that. It's the government of India which is solely responsible for the subversion of the constitution and the tragedy. 60,000 central troops. How is it possible that people lost life? Manipur's population is like a district of Delhi. 33 lakhs was around that. And 22 square kilometers. 1,000 kilometers. Such a small state, you have a presence of 60,000 troops. What they have been doing? What is our defense minister, what are our home ministers doing? So it is not only prime ministers. Your cabinet is responsible for this.